Do you know that for YouTube to start recommending your video or suggest your video is something that is within your power? Yes, this thing is something that you yourself can do. You are in control of it. If you fix these three things that I'm going to mention on this video properly, not just fixing them, but if you fix them rightly, that is the right way you should fix them, you will start getting recommendations, suggestions from YouTube. And you know that there is no way you can get subscribers if YouTube does not recommend or suggest your videos to people. That is just it. Now, YouTube recommendation and YouTube suggestions are two different things altogether. YouTube recommendation comes naturally when you optimize your title to tally with your SEO. You will start getting recommendation. That is, YouTube will start recommending your videos to people. Now, YouTube suggestion is something that you yourself you can do. You are in control of it, because the reason is this: the algorithm works according to the information you give to it. If you feed the algorithm with the right informations, you will get the right answers. Okay, now I want you to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will get to suggest this video to a wider range of people, because there are so many people that are not getting views, they are not getting recommendation, and YouTube are not suggesting their videos to people. So do that so that people will get to watch this video. Now, why you are not being suggested to people by YouTube algorithm is because you have not been able to do these three things that I'm going to mention on this video. You are not doing it. Perhaps you are doing it already, but you are not doing it properly. The right way you should do it, okay? The first thing you are going to do for YouTube to start suggesting your video to wider range of people is what I call playlist. Playlist is as important as your channel setting. When you set your channel properly and you are not adding playlists to your videos, you will not be getting that suggestion and that recommendation you have been waiting for from YouTube. Now, I want you to listen very well. The YouTube algorithm is not even interested in you. They don't care about you. The people they are interested in is your audience, the people that are watching this video, the people that are bringing the money, because the audience are the ones bringing the money. They know that you are here for the money. So when they see you optimizing your videos very well by including your playlist on your description box, it makes them happy. They won't even have any option than to suggest your videos to people. Now, playlist is something that you can always do. Even if you have already made videos that you did not include your playlist, you can still do it. It is not late. All you need to do is for you to go to your dashboard, edit, just pick any of your video and do as if you want to edit it. On your description box, go and copy the link of some of your videos and do what? Include them on your description. Now, if you have playlists already that have up to 3, 4, 5 videos, go and copy the link of that playlist and include it on your description box. That is just simple, and you will see YouTube algorithm will start suggesting your video. It's as simple as that, okay? If you are yet to make videos, you can start including your playlist on that video. Any video you do, make sure you include your playlist on that video. Now, the second thing you are going to do for YouTube to start suggesting your video is what I call end screen. End screen is also very, very important. If you don't know what is end screen are those small bars that appear at the end of your video. When people finish watching your video, at the end of the video you will see something like a bus, that is video, will pop up. That is what we call end screen. Now, what happens when you don't include end screen on your video is this: when you don't include end screen on your video, another person's video will pop up immediately they finish watching your video, and they will watch that person's video. And perhaps from watching that person's video, if the person include playlist on their video, they will go ahead and watch 1, 2, 3, 4 videos of that person. You see it. But when you include end screen on your video, somebody that watch one of your video, just a click, we can watch 1, 2, 3 of your videos. So you see why end screen is very, very important. Without wasting time, I'm going to take you to the screen and show you how you can include end screen to your videos, okay? So you know how we do it here. There is no waiting, no lottery, no hanging. We are going straight to the screen. Keep moving. Let's move to the screen where I'll be showing you how you are going to optimize your end screen so as to start getting suggestion, so that YouTube will start suggesting your videos, okay, to the wider range of people. So let's go.
Go to your Chrome and type studio.youtube.com. It will bring you straight to your dashboard. Then you are going to click on your videos. So I just minimize this thing so that we can see it clearly. So just click on video. It will bring all your videos to you. This channel is a brand new channel. I click on this video. Good. Now, by the side, you will see end screen. Okay. You will see end screen. Just click on this end screen. Now, this is the space for it. Here you will see elements. Okay. On this element, when you click on this, it will ask you to choose either video, playlist, or channel. As you can see now, the subscribe icon is not visible because I already have it here. Now, you see I have two videos here already, because see what will happen here. When you click here on element, it will ask you to choose a video. When you click here, you will be opportunity to choose video. It will ask you whether you want most recent upload, best. You can put just three videos. That is what I can include here. Subscribe icon if you wish, then playlist and video. You can use all for videos, but I prefer doing it this way. I include my subscribe icon, put playlist and video. That is it. You can choose to use your most recent video. You can choose to use any video of your choice. Okay, but when you finish selecting this thing, don't forget to come here and save. You come here and click save. Okay, because after doing all these things, if you do not save it, it's just as good as you did not do anything. That is how you can optimize your end screen and get suggested by YouTube so that your video can bring you subscribers.
The last thing I want to talk about that you are going to fix on your video right now is what I call cards. Cards are very, very important, very, very much important if you optimize it very, very well, because it gives your video that visibility that you have been wishing. Okay, when you start adding this to your videos, YouTube will not have any option than to start recommending your video and suggesting your video to a lot of people. All right, I'm not going to walk you through that process on how to add cards, because it is still the same process as how I show you on that on how to do end screen. So if you have learned how to do the how to add end screen, you can equally do these cards. All you need to do is this: go to your dashboard. Right below your end screen, you will see cards. Click on that pencil icon. It will take you to the interface of your cards. At the top of that, you will see elements. Just click on that element. Once you click on it, you will see videos, you will see subscribe, you will see channel, you will see playlist. But on this section now, you have the opportunity to add 5 elements on your videos. So you can choose to use all to add videos. You can choose to use some to add like 2 video, playlist, your channel and all that. Okay, so this section is very, very important. If you have not been doing it before, start adding cards to all your videos, even the videos that you have uploaded before. Just go ahead now, immediately you finish watching this video, go and add cards to all your videos, no matter how many they are. In fact, your most recent videos, go and add cards to them. And the videos that you will be uploading presently, go and make sure you add cards to it, because once the algorithm sees that you are adding cards to your videos, they will start suggesting your videos to people. You see playlist, you see end screen, you see these cards. Don't joke with these 3 settings. Make sure you always fix them on your videos. Please make sure you always fix them on your videos. It will give your videos, in fact, the kind of visibility that you never think of, I am telling you because I have experienced this, and if I have not experienced it, I will not be telling you about it. Go and start doing these things. All right, that is all for now, and I hope you got value from this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell for more informative videos like this. See you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.